Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we are going to explore ChatGPT versus metaai. So, let's dive right in. First, let's meet the contenders. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, has been a major player for a while. It's known for its conversational skills and creative text formats. metaai is a new AI powered by Meta's humongous Llama 3 model. It boasts integration with Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, making it super accessible. Both are AI assistants, but with different approaches. Let's see how they fare in some key areas. ChatGPT shines in generating different creative text formats, like poems, code, scripts, and more. In ChatGPT, we can generate long answers of our questions as compared to metaai. metaai, on the other hand, seems to prioritize user assistance within the Meta ecosystem. The most amazing feature of the metaai is generating AI images with your prompts, as this feature makes the metaai stand out in the field. But some reviewers say its creative writing skills aren't quite on par with ChatGPT yet. This is where metaai might have a sneaky advantage. It's readily available within your favorite Meta apps, making it super easy to use. ChatGPT requires you to visit their website or use specific apps. So if you crave a super creative and versatile AI companion, ChatGPT might be your pick. But if you value ease of use and integration with your social media life, metaai could be the better fit. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.